guys, fellow YouTubers, friends, why do I have a coffee grinder? I can show you guys why. Here. Why do I have this? Because I like to grind coffee. Sorry about that. Why do I have a coffee grinder, you say? It's because I don't like the normal coffees. They are good, but guys, it doesn't taste quite good because for me, I like to grind coffee on my own. Why do I have a vintage coffee grinder? It's because the modern coffee grinders we have today is electric. They have motor. The vintage coffee grinder we have now, or used to have, is rare. Because they have a wheel going like this, or like this one. If you have a modern coffee grinder, the motor is grinding because they have not a grinding wheel inside. It's because I don't know why, but I don't like it. I don't like it, but it's okay. But I do not recommend that. And guys, I want to say this. Please like, share, subscribe. And guys, the coffee today is actually pre-grinded. Some coffees are. But when I grind my own coffee, it tastes better for my palate. I buy whole coffee beans and I grind it. It feels good in the arm, the grind, and so on. And guys, I want to say this for last. Please watch my videos, like them, share them, and subscribe. Thanks.